transfer games to another account on Epic Games. How to transfer games to another account on Epic Games. Now, so actually, you won't be able to transfer games to another account on Epic Games because this option not available yet on Epic Games. So how we can do it? Actually, there is another way. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your account first. Now click on your profile here and click on account. Now it will redirect you automatically to the website. So now we will change our email address. So how to do it? I will just click on account settings. Now, as you can see, this a little edit button next to your email. So now you see this icon information. Now the idea is to set your email address to another email address. Now click on this little icon. Now after you click on it, now you can add a new address email. So if you set a new email address on a different Epic Games account, a confirmation email will be sent to that email address. So once you confirm the transfer or change of ownership, all the games linked to that account will be associated with the new email. This means that when you log in into the Epic Games account using the new email, all the games will be transferred and accessible under that account. So this is how to transfer games to another account on Epic Games. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.